So, good morning guys. Today is June 15, Lunes. I-try natin tong bago nating Action 6, DJI Osmo Action 6. Kung talagang worth it siya. So, let's go.
Day by day we push away, never stop, we find our way. Move so fast, we make it last. Chasing time, it's running past. We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light the day. Through the fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way. Clocks tick loud, the world. Breaking out. We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light the day. Through the fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way. Feet hit the ground, the pulse is strong, chasing the echoes all along. No looking back, no turning round. The thrill of life is what we found. We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light the day. Through the fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way. Keep the rhythm all the way.
Ang DJI Osmo Action 6 ay isang makapangyarihang action camera na may 1.1 CMOS sensor, variable aperture, at kakayaang mag-record ng hanggang 8K resolution. Ito rin ang unang action camera na may sariling variable aperture para sa mas magandang kuha. Hanggang 8K sa 224, 25, 30 FPS at 4K hanggang 120 FPS para sa ultra smooth slow motion na kayang tumagal ng hanggang 20 metro ang lalim ng walang case, hanggang 63 metro ang lalim may kasamang dive case ng waterproof nating DJI Osmo Action 6. Bagay na bagay sa atin na perfect sa mga online business natin at sa mga mahilig mag-travel. So baka naman DJI, let's go!